Menteri Berikmi Yakatat Puli ke Sorkar Jela ba Lakmen Rumboi lo ong ba ke Sorkar Jela kala siamik sinja man penbiang pat ya kejing syakta puli puthi na kada ko kelam COVID-19 haba juba ba kenta keli jingkeli hadar bar mang tengka ka yeng dar bar thawain ke Jela haka khatsan tre gluber arjar arpwa da nong thawain ke LCP na gambegre usaleng e sangma uba Rumboi lo ong ba ke Sorkar kala siamik sinja man kentir subjek puli science technology engineering but mathematics haki school Sorkar dak basim kongsan yaki
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to Sir question 99A, yes, sir. B, sir, the government has taken many initiatives to promote STEM education in government-aided schools across the state by elucidating the matter as a priority in education policy by setting up of smart classroom, ICT laboratories, science laboratories, and capacity building program of maths and science teacher under the Supporting Human Capital Development Project in Meghalaya. C. Sir, 731 schools having computer and 297 schools have computer with internet facilities. D. Sir, the total number of teachers registered on on Diksha for course 1 to 18 for class 1 to 12 is 24,006 and 19,372 teachers have completed the course, sir.
Sir.
Yes, Master.
Our state is young, and to create a productive and dynamic youth within our state requires an academic savvy. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank the Honorable Minister at least for taking up necessary steps to study the effectiveness by interventions for the future plan of actions, by diagnosing to understand the strength and weakness in different forms of subject. The quality of education really needed to look into by stressing other academic subjects also, like stressing maths and science. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, answer to B. How many numbers of government schools have availed the smart classroom so far?
Sir, the question related to the government-aided school. So regarding the government school which have a smart classroom, I didn't have the record with me right now, sir. I require notice.
Why I'm asking this question is that, sir, we are talking about the smart class, but on the ground, even the maths teachers is not there. Now, one government school, MP school, we used to call it, in Tura, they are not having a permanent teachers right now, and the one who was under contractual also been not appointed right now. So any plan of appointing the even under the contractual basis, Mr. Speaker, sir? Government MP school, sir. Government Tura school. Boys school, yeah.
We will look into it, sir.
Sir, how many numbers of teachers? Answer number D, sir. What is the durations of training for the teachers? Online teaching.
So, the teachers enroll themselves through this program of the government, and I didn't have the timeline how many weeks they have to enroll, but this is the number of the teachers which enroll themselves, and I have stated also the number of teachers which have completed the training as per prescribed, sir.
So we are talking about the online teachings. During the pandemic, we have seen the network, which is always giving a constant problem every now and then. Then how do our students supposed to get the educations from the teacher, especially in the area where you don't get the network?
So that's why time and again I have already stated that classroom teaching must return at the earliest, because we have seen the problem of the student and the problem of the teachers and the problem of the network in a different part of the state. So but to some extent, I'm very happy that many of the teachers, they have this home visit, and